Hey there, so in this video we are going to talk about Studio by WordPress. So if you don't know what Studio is, I have already created a video regarding what Studio is. In short, Studio is software provided by WordPress to build WordPress sites similar to local by Flywheel. So in this, I'm gonna explain and I'm gonna try how this import from backup feature works. So I'm gonna create a new site from the backup. Now let's click on learn more. So it needs some kind of WP press file or zip file from local app or zip file from WordPress playground. So I already have local app, so I'm gonna try that. So this is my site. I'm gonna export this. So let's export this. And let's wait for this. So basically it will require a zip file from specific software. They provided support for this local by Flywheel as well. So we will download the zip. Otherwise, if you are manually making zip, it should contain this wp-config.php, the wp content folder, and SQL folder with different SQL files for your site database. And it export from Studio will also have meta.json file which contain information about desert. Seems like this will be an optional, but yeah, we will see what this creates as a zip and then we will study what it requires. So it won't take that much time. It's about to create a zip. So zip has been created. We will import this, but let's unzip first and we will see what it contains.
A few moments later.
So it contains entire folder structure from this local. So if you open this, it has this app config and logs. This has new JSON file. Let's try to open this and see what it contains. So it basically has some information regarding like domain, path, name, environment, etc. Let's close this. Let's go to app, public. So this is basically entire WordPress site. I'm looking for SQL, local.sql. I think this is the entire database. Let's see. Yeah, so it contains a database inside this SQL folder. Okay, now let's try to import. Sorry about that. Let's try to import from backup. So I'm going to import that zip and let's continue. And I would say test 1. And it started copying the site. So now importing is about to complete. So our site is imported. Now let's click on the site, and yeah, this is the exact site we clone. So let's confirm. So yeah, this is the site. So yeah, this is how import from backup works. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video.